Hi everyone, Todd here. For those of you who don't know me, I've been selling products online since 2002 and on Amazon since 2009. As a professional Amazon seller, I have reached all of my sales goals, have set numerous personal business records, and have put my Amazon selling business on full autopilot. I began a consulting business in 2015 to help other people reach their goals. Through the course of training thousands of Amazon sellers, I found that the single biggest hurdle for a seller to overcome is finding reliable, reputable, true wholesale suppliers of name brand, profitable products. This is even more true for Amazon sellers located outside of the United States. If you are located outside of the United States, you have to deal with getting a US-based entity, one that has a federal tax ID number, so that you can register for a reseller permit, because without a reseller permit, no reputable wholesaler would open an account for you. This is where the Wholesale Buying Club comes into play. Here are some benefits of Wholesale Buying Club membership. Number 1, professional training on how to use the Wholesale Buying Club. Number 2, disclosed list of our suppliers. Number 3, inventory files from each of our suppliers. Dedicated web store to place your order using our accounts. Number 5, your order is delivered to our warehouse where it is received, prepped, and shipped to your FBA account. Number 6, secret Facebook community to interact with other members and get questions answered. Number 7, world-class customer service. Number 8, take advantage of suppliers that are no longer opening accounts. Take advantage of suppliers that would normally require high minimum orders. Take advantage of suppliers with live data feeds that update pricing and quantities on hand regularly. The Wholesale Buying Club provides true economy of scale. You get to use our buyers, our warehouse space, our receivers, our prep team, and most importantly, our supplier relationships. Join today to immediately begin taking advantage of everything the Wholesale Buying Club has to offer.